Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best trap in blocks.io. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you wanna do is locate the beautiful autumn leaves biome. Then you wanna grab some fallen maple leaves. Then dig like 4 blocks and go down 7 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I found some coal, but it doesn't really matter. There, just like that. Now you wanna fill all. You don't wanna fill, but you wanna make the walls from crafting tables and from furnaces. I'll tell you why later, but this is a very, very important step. Also, don't forget when you're making this trap, you wanna place a protector. So that way, the people can't just mine their way out of the trap, because that would be the lamest escape ever. There. So you want to fill all this in. By the way, we're so close to 100 subscribers, so if you subscribe, that would really make my day. It's just a click of the button, and yeah, subscribe to show your support. There, it should look like that right now. Then grab your fallen maple leaves and cover the trap like that. So that way, when someone is coming, jump in, boom. Now, of course, we want a collection system. So you want to go next to the tree and dig 7 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can expand this area if we want and break these 2 blocks. Actually, what we want to do is we put these 2 blocks and go 1 block below, so that way he can't hit us. Also, you can fill this in with crafting tables. Make sure everything is crafting tables. And then here you want to put a storage system. So you want to grab some chests and place 2 chests from each side for all the loot you got. Also, we can't forget the ladders. So don't forget to place some ladders. And of course, place them not diagonally, but in the corner, as this is much, much faster. And place a fallen maple leaf. So when someone is chasing you, you make them jump in here, you can kick them or with a sword, and then you go down here, and then you get a diamond sword, and you start hitting them, just like that. And of course, you can here change whatever you want. You can decorate it with stuff, here I'm decorating it with pumpkins. And actually, you can even make here your base. So if you watch one of my underground secret base videos, you can actually connect your secret base to this. That way, you can get lots of loot. And yeah, that's all. So here is a demonstration of the secret trap being used. So as you can see, there's a player chasing me, then he falls into the trap and I get all his loot. So that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe, do all the good things, and I'll see you in the next one.